Hello, I'm Nathan Kramer, Product Line Marketing Manager for John Deere Tillage and Nutrient Application Bar Line. Here today we're going to talk a little bit about TruSet, which we introduced last year, and then of course the expansion, which is the exciting new news we have here today. So the TruSet technology we introduced in 2014, came out exclusive, a market exclusive on our 2730, and this really gives us the ability to control depths of each of the different functional areas on this machine from in the cab on the go. So instead of taking 12 to 20 minutes of adjustment, we can do it with the touch of a finger in the cab on the go within 6 seconds. When we first introduced this technology, it was only compatible with our 30 series John Deere 8R and 9R and newer tractors, so only the newer fleet of tractors that we had. Now this year, we're pleased to present the expansion capabilities that we're now going to offer our customers. So any customer that has a 20 series, 8 or 9000 series or older John Deere, and or any competitive tractors will now be able to utilize the TruSet technology and optimize the performance of their 2730. So what are we doing? Basically, we need the tractor as a hydraulic flow, so we're using a hydraulic pump there. We also need to have them provide our power to us. From that point in time, we're going to take all the hydraulic flow, we're going to use the logic of our controller and the valve stack that we have, and that's going to ensure that we have all the up and down movement required to give the same level of functionality and control on what a customer would receive with last year's version that's incorporated into our 30 series tractors. So with this, you can see the valve stack is going to control our front disc gang, it's going to control the depth of our ripper point, and it's going to control the up and down movements that are required for our closing discs. So those three functional areas. The overall folding and the pressure of the rolling basket will still take place with the SEV stack on the back of the tractor. So here again, with this additional TruSet compatibility kit, we're now going to be able to offer this level of technology again to customers with 20 series and older John Deere tractors and the competitive lineups that are also out there as well. So with the competitive tractors right here again, we're just using the SCV flow. So once we have flow to this valve stack, a John Deere design valve stack, that's going to ensure that we're getting the same timing and level of performance as what we would have received from the John Deere SCVs on the tractors for the newer series. So really no difference at all when you hook this up to a competitive machine versus what we're offering with our 30 series and newer John Deere tractors. If you need more information, this was just released about 2 weeks ago. You'll be able to go out to Deere.com, our public website, and you'll be able to find the compatibility, the kits, and hear a little bit more about this functionality as well.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.